Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Cooking and Travel. Today's video is about green coffee and how it helps us in weight loss. Before starting this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell for further updates. Green coffee beans are seeds of the coffee fruits that are not roasted. Green coffee tastes like herbal tea. It has a higher amount of chlorogenic acids rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 1 cup of green coffee has 100 mg of caffeine. It boosts our metabolism, increases our BMR rate. In this way, it helps us in weight loss. It curbs our appetite. It improves blood circulation, so it is also good for healthy skin and hair. It burns fat. It maintains our blood pressure level. It decreases our absorption of sugar. But one thing I want to mention that breastfeeding woman, pregnant woman and who wants to conceive, they should not consume this herbal green coffee and it should not be given to children. But it also has some side effects. Due to too much consumption, it can lead to anxiety, sleep disturbance, more blood pressure, rapid heartbeat. Now I will show you how to make this green coffee perfectly. When the water start boiling, then we will add at least 100 mg of green coffee powder with it. Remember, the maximum dose per day is 480 mg. So you can have 2 cups of green coffee per day after your meal. We will boil it at least for 10 to 15 minutes. If you think it is too much strong, you can add some water and dilute it also. My personal advice, please do not add any honey or sugar with it, then the purpose will be fully wasted. Drink this green coffee after your meal twice a day. I have consumed this green coffee for a longer time. I have never faced any difficulties, but if you face any difficulties, you can discontinue this. But along with this green coffee, if you add some exercise in your life, you can lose more weight in very short time. I have given the link from where I purchased this green coffee. You just be sure that it should be organic. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.